Now we will learn some smart way to find the multiplication of a number which is near to base number. Base number we generally mean by 100, we mean by 1000, we mean by 10, and we mean by 10,000. So 10 number near to 10 we know via table. Number near to 10,000 is not in our syllabus. So we will only learn the number which is near to 100 and the number which is near to 1000. Okay. Suppose we have to find the multiplication of 102 into 104. So how we will do it? So we just see that this number is how much more than 100. So it's plus 2, that is 2 more than 100. This number is how much more than 100. So it's plus 4, that is 4 more than 100. So we just multiply this 4 into 2, that is 8. But we write here 08 because we are doing it in terms of 100. So in terms of 100 it will become 08. Now we have written here 08. Now what we will do, we will do the diagonal operation. Either we will add 102 and this 4, or we will add 104 and this 2. The result will be the same. So 102 and 4, it's come out to be 10608. So your answer is 10608. Another example I am giving you. If it is here 103 into 109, so it is 3 more and it is 9 more. So first 9 to 3 it will become 27. Then 103 plus 9 it will become 112. Either you do 109 plus 3, always it will become 112. So the result is 11227. Okay, I am giving you another example. 104 into 105. So how much it is greater? It is 4 greater, it is 5 greater. 5 into 4, that is 20. And do this diagonal operation, 104 plus 5, that is 109. The result will be 10920. Okay, now 97 into 94. Here both the number were above 100. Here both the number are below 100. And we will learn one more concept where one number will be above 100 and one number will be below 100. Here 97 into 94. So 94 is how much less than 100? It's minus 6. 97 is how much less than 100? It's minus 3. So what we will do it? We will just multiply this 6 minus 6 into minus 3, that is plus 18. So we have written here 18. Then do the diagonal operation. 97 minus 6 is 91, or 94 minus 3 is 91. So result is 9118. This is your answer. Let's say 97 into 95. So how much it is less than 100? It is minus 3. 95, it is minus 5. So minus 5 into minus 3, it's 15. Then 97 minus 5 is 92. 9215 is your answer. Let's take another example. 93 into 96. So how much it is less than 100? So it's 7 less than 100. How much 96 is less than 100? It's 4 less than 100. So now you will do 7 minus 7 into minus 4, that is plus 28. Then 93 minus 4 will be 89. Or you do 96 minus 7, it will again be 89. So result is 8928. I think you have got this concept. Now multiplication of two number having the base 1000. So in case of 1000 also we do the same part. So if we have to find the multiplication of 1004 into 1009, so how we do it? How much this 1004 is greater than 1000? So it's 4 more, and 1009 is 9 more. So we write here plus 4 and we write here plus 9. Now take the multiplication of this 9 and 4, it will become 36. So we write here 036 because we are doing for the base 1000. So for 1000 we write 000. For 100 we write 00. So it's 36, so we will write here 036. Now do the diagonal operation. 1004 plus 9, that is 1013. Or you do like this, 1009 plus 4, it will always be 1013. So 1013 036 is your answer. Take another example like 1007 into 1011. So how much it is more? It is 7 more. How much it is more? It is 11 more. So what we will do here? we will just multiply this. 11 into 7, 77. We will write here 077. Then 1007 plus 11, it will be 1018. Your answer will be 1018077. Okay. Now we have done it for the number which was both more than 1000. Now we are doing it for the number which are both less than 1000, like 992 into 996. So 992, it is how much less than 1000? So it is 8 less than 1000. 996, it is how much less than 1000? So it is 4 less than 1000. So we just multiply 8 into 4, that is plus 32. So we will write here 032. Now 992 minus 4, that is 988. So your answer will be 988032. Okay, let's take another example. 991 into 995. So it is how much less than 1000? It's 9 less than 1000. It is how much less than 1000? It's 5 less than 1000. So 9 5 is 45. So it will become 045. Then 991 minus 5. So what it will be? 986. So our answer will be 986045. Okay. I think you have got this concept also. Now, multiplication of two number above and below the base 100 and above and below the base 1000. Base 100 as well as base 1000. Okay. So here one number 103, that is above 100, and one number 94, that is below 100. So how we do it? So 103 is how much more than 100? It's plus 3. 94 is how much less than 100? So it's minus 6. So we just write here minus 6 into 3, that is minus 18 over here, and 103 minus 6, that is 9700 over here, or 94 plus 3, that is 9700 over here, and we just subtract 18 from here. So 9700 minus 18, that is 9682. We were doing the same concept in the addition part also, when both the number were above 100, like this 103 into 104. So it's plus 3 and it's plus 4. So here what we are doing, that 4 plus 3, that is plus 12. Now 103 plus 4, that is 10700, and then we are adding it and we wrote 10712. Here also we are doing the same concept, but here it's the we have to subtract it, and here we have to add it. So for addition we write it directly, for subtraction we write it 9700 minus 18, that is 9682. I am giving you another example. Let's say it's written 102 into 98. So how to do it? So it is plus 2 and it is minus 2. So first we will do it 102 minus 2, that is 100 100. Now plus 2 and minus 2, that is will be minus 0 4. So it will be how much? 9996. Okay. Now we will do it in case of 1000 also. We will do the same operation. Here 1012, it is how much more than 1000? It is plus 12. 12 more than 1000. 991, it is how much less than 1000? So it's 9 less than 1000. So what we will do it, we will just do the diagonal part. So just do the diagonal part. 112 minus 9, that is 1003. 1000. Then 12 into minus 9, that is minus 108. So here we will subtract it. So while subtracting, how do we subtract it? So just subtract here. Suppose it's given 1000 3000, like this, and you have to subtract 108 from here. So just subtract it, it will become 1,289. This is your answer. So by doing this, your calculation will become quite fast. Square of a number having the base 1000. Suppose we have to find the square of 1002 into 1002. So we will apply the same concept over here. We will just add. So it will become 1004. Then 2 square is 4. So we will write here 004. So 1003 into 1003. So 1003 into 1003, again apply the same concept. It's 3 more than 1000 and it's 3 more than 1000. Just do the diagonal part, it will be 1006,000. Now add what you will add, 9, so it will be 009. So 1006,009 over here. This will be your answer. If you have to find 1011 square, how will you find it? So 1011 square means what? It will be 1011 into 1011. So how much it is more? So it's 11 more. It's also 11 more. So 1011 plus 11, it will be 1022. And 11 square we know 121. So result will be 1022121. This is our answer. Now we will learn some more trick in our next session. Thank you.